Hello guys, how you guys doing today? So for today's makeup tutorial, I'm just going to be doing a very quick one, hopefully, because I'm late, but I will try and make it interesting as possible. I'm going to be trying out some new product on this makeup tutorial, so bear with me guys. Things might not go right, but we'll try. So the first product I'm going to try out is the primer, because I've already moisturized my face, and this primer is by Meek Makeup, which looks like this. The primer looks like this. The Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is new to me. I just recently got this and it's new to me. The shade I'm using is Makeup. Foundation looks really good on the skin. I'll be using a foundation to highlight today. I use this foundation by Max Factor, number 097. Their shade range is known, so that their shade they don't have dark skin shade range. Like they need to like step it up on that angle of adding dark shade. I'm just curious to try this. Oh, okay. I don't know how a product can be this nice and they won't like make the shade range good. This is nice. I like it. In the sense that the formula is nice. It's very creamy and it blends really well into the skin. They need to work on the shade range. On top of that, I'm going to apply more concealer to brighten my under eyes a lot. I just wanted to like try out that product. It's really creamy. I'm going to try this concealer by Revlon. The Huda Beauty powder in the shade Kunafa. So to contour my face, I'm going to use Life Proof Concealer in the shade 12. I use this brush by Technique. For brow pencil, I'm going to use this brow pencil by Topshop. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use this product, some product by Nars. Yeah, the Nars eyeliner. I'm going to apply this liner all over the eyes. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to take blue eyeshadow from Nars. So pretty. Can you see that? Ooh. ABH Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to take this palette. Another eyeshadow by Nars. This one is so cute. Blue right here. So I want to get a small crease brush to do this step. Like this Lord and Barry liner, black liner. Oh my god, wow, that liner is so creamy. The Fenty Beauty bronzer to just bronze my face. I'm going to use the Milani Blush. This is new to me. This is my first time of trying this. So I'm going to use Gerard Cosmetic lip liner and lipstick. Details will be at the description bar. I'm going to use this new Eylure lashes. It's a pre-glue lashes. So I'm going to try it on this tutorial to see if it's going to work. They say you don't need glue. Let's put it to test. If I need glue after this, I'm calling Eylure on the phone. Oh my god, this is nice. I don't need glue. Is this shade. This mascara. So guys, this is the final look. It looks really good. I just need to put earring on, and I really like the blue eyeshadow on the eyes. It's really pigmented, cute. Oh, what else? The foundation is nice. Max Factor, they need to work on their shades. There's 0 shades for dark skin. If I can't use their darkest shade, it's wrong. It's just totally wrong. They need to work on that. But I look good. I make it work. How do I look? Hey, let me know at the comment section what you think about this look, what product you will like to try. Let me know if you have any question about any of the products, and I will come back to you and talk about it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember what I always say, be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, and do you always, and remain blessed. Bye guys.